Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2016 Volkswagen Up 1 litre. This model is called the Take Up. This car's finished in Tornado Red. It's got the black mirror covers, black door handles. It's a 3-door model. 14-inch steel wheels with Volkswagen wheel trims, front near side. So inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the white polka dot patterned centre panels. Rear passenger area, so there's room for 2 passengers in the rear of the car. And you've got the ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat. Near side rear wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car now. So inside the rear load area you've got the rear seat that will fold down to increase the load capacity. Moving around onto the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear wheel. So inside the car, on the driver's door you've got the controls for the front electric windows, manual mirror adjustment. This car's done 33,050 miles. 5-speed gearbox, 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Then you've got the media system. So on there you've got the FM, AM, FM and DAB radio stations. You've got an auxiliary port so as you can plug in and play music from an external device. Moving on, back outside the car again. Driver's side front wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. This is a very low insurance car, ideal first car for a younger driver. If you want any further information regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.